Hello everyone, XpetKills here doing a 384 gaming PC build. We'll start off with the Casecom Hacker. It's good, it's large, and it's beautiful. Good for the price. FX octa-core. It's quite good. Outperforms an i5 a bit. Excellent motherboard, and it is great for overclocking for 4925. This is one of the best types of RAM you can get for only 4928. This graphics card is one of the latest of AMD, and also comes with MSI recording software. The Casecom will do you perfectly fine for only $1165, and the Seagate Barracuda hard drive, 1 terabyte, for storing everything. Thank you for watching.